Gold traded with a moderate bullish bias yesterday, hitting the record highs, and today again we have seen gold starting on a bullish note and creating fresher highs at 2636.5. While silver, which is traded bearish, has recovered the most of it, and today again it has come towards the important and critical resistance zone at 31 31.20. So, what to expect today? Can we expect the resistances to be breached? Can we expect gold to create fresh highs and breach past the resistance zone in between 2635 and 40, and silver to breach beyond 31 20 30? What is going to be our strategy in order to profit trading gold and silver? We are going to see with the help of charts and indicators. This is the first update for the day. The next update will be released before the US session. Do not miss to watch it. Subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon to get the notification. And this is the only channel to give you two updates with detailed analysis, clear entries. Thus, do not miss to watch both. Get the live updates by joining the free Telegram channel and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort, and do like, share, and comment. Let's start. First, gold followed with silver. Watch gold on the hourly chart. See, it was trading with divergence from the 20 period. We have seen it retracing again now. Seen taking the support from the 20 period, trying to bounce back. Yes, we you can see this higher highs are seen, but also we can see that the bullishness getting diminished. Where are the highs for the day? At around 2640 to 42 zone. We have to be watchful there. This is going to be the first resistance zone. If it stays above 2636, we can look forward to 2640 42 zone, the first target, and beyond this we can look forward to a stronger rise. If you look at the movement here, taking the support, trying to bounce back, creating higher highs. The stochastic here is at overbought levels. The MACD, which is retraced, it is trying to converge, crossover for a buy. RSI is staying very near to the top here. Coming to 2 hour, the observation on the 2 hour charts is same: rise, retracement, rise, retracement, rise, retracement, and see higher lows and higher highs are seen here, consistently trading in this bullish channel. And yes, beyond 2640 42, we can look forward to a good rise. We can look forward to a stronger rise, and if it breaks out beyond 2650 levels, you can say just stay bullish for the week. For gold, we can look forward to the highs at 2665, 2670, 1.5, and in fact higher levels are possible. But we have to be cautious, because see, I can sense that this is important. It has hit lower lows before hitting the highs, and now I can see that the bullishness is definitely getting diminished. Moving averages trading with divergence is staying bullish. Stochastic rising. The MACD has crossed over here at the top, trading with divergence, staying bearish, looking downwards. RSI is staying bullish. It is showing signs of further rise. Coming to 3 hour. If you look at 3 hour chart, similar observation here. See this, consistently trading in this bullish channel. Just wait for a breakout here. What has happened yesterday? It has hit almost a double top and then retraced. Also now, after creating support today, it has hit higher highs, and this is almost at the cusp of it. So possibly hitting this zone, there is a possibility, and there is a chance that it can reverse, because I can definitely sense that the bullishness somehow is getting diminished. Also, it is just consolidating, waiting for the moving average to climb up. It will take the support from the 20 period and then give a breakout. This is one of the possibilities which it can try to deliver. Certainly, I can say that the regarding the selling entry, we have to be very cautious, very alert. Only bearishness now is below 2615 levels, below which you can expect that it is turning bearish. Else it is still not bearish, and below 2650, this time if it breaches this, we can look forward to 260205, and then 2590, 2580. Let's have a further look. See, stochastic is rising here. MACD, despite the crossover, it is failing to sustain the divergence, and it is almost running flat. Now remember this point as well, it is not yet crossed over on the buy side. Wait for it to cross over on the buy side. That will be the only confirmation that you can say we are looking forward to fresh highs. If you look at the RSI is rising here. Coming to 4 on the 4 hour chart, see, this was the first rise and retracement. Now second rise is going on. There is a possibility of a retracement which you can expect, and right now it is not showing any you can say interest in dropping further. But yes, there has to be retracement. Only thing is, first it can hit the highs at 2650, and then it may try to retrace. This one possibility we cannot ignore, and right now it appears to be looking upwards. On the downside, as I said, 260205 levels should be a good support if it tries to reverse. If you look at the 4 hour charts, yes, here also you can see this trading in this bullish channel. Now nearest is today's candle. What has happened? Couple of retracement candle, increasing bullishness is seen, fresh highs are seen here. I can definitely sense that the bullishness getting diminished here and it is trying to stay in zone before giving a breakout. Stochastic rising, the MACD is in green trying to converge crossover for a sell. It is not yet crossed over. RSI is staying overbought. Coming to daily, before we look into daily charts, see if you also want to learn this art of trading, join my mentorship batch. And if you just want to trade as per the signals, be a part of my signals channel on Telegram. Connect with me, write an email or ping me over Telegram for your queries related to the services. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. And yes, those who had asked me to recommend a broker which offers you a swap free account, lowest spreads, no hidden charges, easier transactions, easier withdrawals across the globe, and yes, a safer environment and a regulated environment for you to trade, you can find the recommended broker link also in the channel and video description. If you join through the link, you'll get the lowest spreads on offer. Now look at the daily chart. See, first observe the pattern here. What has happened? Rise, retracement, then rise, and it is now forming a support here at 26 20 26 and 260502. With that as support, we have seen it again scaling newer highs or fresh highs today. Now I can say that the movement on the upwards is a bit restrictive, and hence you have to be cautious here. It can completely reverse and fall from the current levels towards 2590 2580 zone, because see, there has to be a little retracement. What has happened here can replicate too much of divergence of the price from the 20 period. It can try to come back towards this zone sooner or later. But if you look at the near term, the formation here is extremely bullish. If you look at the formation here, see, this was the retracement, then this was the retracement. Now it is forming the base and trying to break out. Stochastic overbought here, that is also one critical sign. MACD divergent and bullish, and RSI overbought. So yes, it is slightly overbought, but it can stretch to new highs before reverse. Considering this, you can buy here at 26 36 38 zone. Expect the first resistance at around 26 41 42, and then we can look forward to the next target at around 2650. Once it breaks the critical milestone at 2650, the chances will be very very high that in this week itself we will be looking forward to 2665 2671 breaking, beyond which 26 84 87 and 2700 will be seen. But we have to wait for it to give a breakout. Right now, definitely one thing is clear, that the bulls are not so active. Anyways, the bears are anyways not there. This is also you should keep a note of. Now, where to sell? I will only recommend you to sell if you see it is staying 2624, below which you can expect 2620 and then 2615 14 levels. Once it breaches these levels, you can stay short further. We can look forward to 2608 26 or 2609 2610 levels first target, and then 260205 second, below which 2590 2580 has to be there. Take your trades accordingly, take your positions accordingly. Let's have a look at silver. Silver on the hourly charts hitting the highs here. We have seen it retracing sharp. Yesterday, we have seen it, in fact, breaching below the 30-40 levels, which was critical support, though it has shown an immediate recovery. And if you look at the formation here, after the drop, a recovery, then the retracement, and again trying to bounce back here. Now, see, it has formed a very, very good support here at around 30-60 levels. Now, 30-60 is the only level below which you can expect bearishness here in silver, where we can expect it to move towards 30-40, 30-20, and $30 levels, below which there could be extreme fall. But right now I can see that there is a greater support available for silver at 3060. Also on the upside, this zone is critical for silver, 31 3120. Only and only if it breaks this zone, we can look forward to a good rise, where we can look forward to 3150, 3180, and $32 levels. Stochastic overbought here. MACD on the hourly charts, after hitting the lows, now looking upwards, trading bullish. RSI is rising as well. Coming to on the 2 hour charts, see a sharp drop there, then the retracement, then further retracement, and now again a bounce here. Now again, very very important for silver to stay above 3120, very critical resistance levels. Now also one must notice, yes, on the downside, 3060 has formed a very very good support, only below which today you can consider this as bearish. Stochastic rising, MACD willing to converge crossover for a buy, good sign for the bulls. RSI is rising here. Coming to 3 hour, on the 3 hour charts here, similar is the observation here. Lower highs, higher lows, consolidation going on. Wait for a breakout on the upside. Beyond 3120, the chances are there that we can look forward to a greater move, which is going to take it above 3150, 3180 levels. Possibility exists. But right now, I can see this rise, retracement. Though it is still trading bullish, but the possibility of a move towards $30 levels cannot be ignored here. Stochastic rising here. The MACD is bearish, trying to converge crossover for the buys, and RSI is rising. Coming to 4-hour charts, on the 4-hour charts, likewise, a very strong support is created. With that as support trying to bounce back, wait for a breakout here and then stay bullish. Moving averages here are trading bullish. Stochastic rising MACD is bearish, trying to converge, and RSI is showing a good little bullish momentum. Coming to daily, so see on the daily charts, yes, higher lows are seen. What has happened post this reversal sign? We have seen one bearish candle, and now today, if it breaks out beyond this zone, because see right now we can see lower highs are there, and if it breaks out beyond this zone, you can treat this as a breakout. We can look forward to higher highs, where the targets are going to be towards 3150, 3160 levels, beyond which certainly more bullish momentum will prevail here. And do not miss to observe that right now it is getting resistance here. If you divide this into two, what has happened here? It could follow the same. Thus, a move towards 30 can be expected. If it breaks beyond 3060 today, we are looking forward to stronger bearishness. Stochastic dropping, MACD is in green, trying to converge, RSI is rising. Considering this, I will recommend you to only buy if you see it is staying up 3120, and in fact you can buy at 3115 levels, but then be watchful at around 3130, and then we can look forward to 3155, 60 levels as the next target. Beyond this, we can have a look at 3185, $32 levels as the next targets. On the downside, a selling entry now I will recommend is at 3080, 3085, where we can expect 3070, 3060 first target. Any drop below 36 is a clear sign of prevailing bearishness, where we can aim for 3040, 3020, and in fact 2995, 2975 levels, which are achievable if it continues to trade below 3060, 3040 today. More bearishness is definitely going to be there. It is going to deliver a strong bearish candle if it stays now below 3060, 3040 zone today. Take your trades accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch. Join my signals channel. Do not miss to watch the next update before the US session. That is also equally critical to watch out for. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading day. Thank you.